Hi, this is Queen again, Head of Customer Success here at AEvent. In our previous video, I've shown you how to create our first timeline, and when we did that, after creating it, we landed in the timeline section of our campaign. This is where your event flow comes to life. It's a visual builder that lets you control what happens before, during, and after your event with actions you can automate across any connected tool. So let's understand the layout. As you can see here, the timeline is organized by days relative to your event. This is our day 0. Days to the left are for pre-event actions, and then days to the right after that are for follow-up. The system auto-organizes your actions based on when they are scheduled to fire. You don't need to group or name anything manually. So what are timeline actions? Timeline actions are what you schedule on your timeline. Each action tells AEvent to do something like send an SMS or MMS, drop a ringless voicemail, send an email, add a tag to a contact, trigger an automation, delay, redirect, or segment based on behavior. So let's start with day 0. This is day 0. This is our main event. Day 0 includes a unique toggle. You can choose whether an action happens before or after. So if you create an action, you can see you can set it to before or after. This is perfect for things like last minute reminders right before the event. So you will set it to before, and replay drops or thank you emails after the event drops. So you just have to select after. Scheduling actions, let's discuss exact versus relative time. So the exact time when adding an action, you'll choose like 12 a.m. You have to indicate the exact time. For relative time, you can indicate 2 hours before the event starts. So you just have to set this to before, change this to 2 hours, and that's when it will fire. Relative time is dynamic. It's great for evergreen, like live, or automated flows where timing adjusts per registrants. Now let's try adding a pre-event SMS. So you just have to click on create action from the upper right, and then let's click on this one to set it to 1 day before the main event, and then let's select SMS. Let's select registrants here first for the targeted audience, and then let's select our tool. Let's use Twilio, and then let's send SMS. So if we can send an image with our SMS, select your image here, and then you can type in the message you want to go out. You can personalize it with tokens if you want, like first name. You just have to click on this one and select the first name. This will automatically pull the name of the registrant, and then you can also add event title or start time to your message. You can also add emojis here. Just click on the emoji icon and just select the emoji you want to include in your message, and then select the number you want to send the message from, and then click on create. Once this is created, it's locked into that time slot. No need to reorder. AEvent will organize your actions for you. Now let's say you want to edit or remove an action. To edit or remove an action, you just have to click on the action here, or if you are on the month view, you can simply click on action here. It will do the same thing. So you can edit here, or you can simply delete it if you want to delete the action. You can always add new actions or adjust the flow. Nothing is locked until you go live. Now you don't need to name or manually group your actions. AEvent handles that automatically based on time. The timeline logic is precise. The actions will fire exactly as you configured them. Think in terms of the attendee experience. So when you're creating your timeline actions, think of what you want your attendees to experience. What do they need to hear before? What emails do they need to receive? What should happen if they don't show? Are they going to receive a text, an SMS, or an email? What should follow if they attend or watch the replay? Are you going to send them your link for them to purchase something from your products? Things like that. So in the next video, we'll upload your media like presentation videos or voicemail audio. We will show you how to connect them to your timeline actions. We are about to bring your campaign to life, so I'll see you on the next one.